Good morning students, this is your maths class. So please open your maths textbook. Today we will study multiplication of integers. In our previous class we have already completed 1.2 exercise. Now we are going to start the concept which we will use in 1.3 exercise, that is multiplication of integers. Okay, in this topic, first we will check multiplication of a positive integer and a negative integer. Suppose we want to multiply two integers, and out of these two integers, one integer is positive integer and another is negative integer. So what will be the result? We will check. First part, multiplication of a positive integer and a negative integer. Okay, suppose with the help of one example we will understand this concept. Minus 2 into 5. Minus 2 into 5. Here we have first integer, that is negative integer, and second integer we have positive integer. When we want to multiply positive and negative integer, first ignore the sign. If we ignore the sign, what we have? 2 into 5. First ignore this sign, 2 into 5. And yes, we can multiply 2 into 5, 2 5s are 10. It means whenever we have a negative and positive integer, multiply the integer as we multiply the whole number. 2 into 5, 2 5s are 10. And then you can write this negative integer. So what will be the result? Minus 10. Okay, another example we can take. Suppose we have first integer, positive integer, and second is negative. 3 into minus 5. Okay, one thing you should observe here. Here I am writing this minus 5 in bracket because we have two sign here, right? One is multiplication sign and second is negative sign. So whenever we have two signs together, it's better, or it's a standard form to write down in a bracket. That's why I wrote here minus 5 in a bracket. So the same thing we will perform here. Just ignore the sign first. If we ignore the sign, what is the number? 3 and 5. Just ignore the number. Just ignore the sign. 3 and 5. What is 3 into 5? 3 5s are 15. So here we can write 15. Now how many signs we have? Minus sign. So we will put a negative sign here. So what will be the result? Minus 15. It means we can say whenever we have a multiplication of a positive integer and a negative integer, then we multiplying them as a whole number and put a minus sign before the product. It means we can first ignore the sign and multiply the numbers as we multiply the whole number, and the result whatever we will get, before the result put a negative sign. This is the concept. I hope all of you understood. Take another example. If we have 7 into minus 8, only the thing you should remember, if we have two signs together, put the second sign in a bracket. 7 into minus 8. Okay, 7 8s are 56. So minus 56. This is the multiplication of 7 and minus 8. This is the first topic, when we have to multiply a positive integer and a negative integer. Okay, now second point, multiplication of two negative integers. Okay, this is the second topic, multiplication of two negative integers. It means if we have both negative numbers and we want to multiply those two negative numbers, then how can we multiply? Okay, minus 3 into minus 2. Minus 3 into minus 2. We want to multiply these two negative integers. First integer, that is negative integer, that is minus 3, and second integer we have minus 2. Again, here we have multiplication sign. So the next negative integer we wrote in bracket. Okay, here you may ask, sir, why we are writing this minus 3? Because we do not have any operations before minus 3. Okay, so this step you can write in this way, minus 3 into minus 2. This is also right. Okay, so there will be no change in between these two steps. Minus 3 into minus 2, or here we are writing minus 3 into minus 2. Okay, minus 3 into minus 2. If we want to multiply these two negative integers, first thing, ignore the sign. Multiply the numbers as we multiply the whole number. 3 into 2. What is 3 into 2? 6. Yes, 3 2 is 6. So we can write here 6. Now we will check the sign. Here we have one negative and two negative. So this negative into this negative will become positive. Whenever we have two negative and we multiply two negative, it will become positive. Okay, so this negative and this negative, it will become plus. Minus minus, it will become plus. So minus 3 into minus 2, it will become plus 6. So we can write plus 6. As we know, if there is no sign before any number, by default it is a positive number. That's why we can write here only 6. If we are writing 6, it means this is a positive 6. So minus 3 into minus 2, it will become 6. Take another example. Minus 4 into minus 3. Same, 4 3s are 12 and minus minus plus. That's why the answer will be plus 12. Okay, so what we can write here? When we multiply two negative integers, then multiply them as a whole number and put the positive sign before the product, before the result. This is the answer. This is the main concept. So if we have two negative integers, this minus and this minus will become plus, and 3 2s are 6. That's why the answer should be 6. Similarly, 4 3s are 12, and these 2 minus will become positive, plus sign. So answer will be 12. Okay, now third, multiplication of three or more negative integers. Three or more negative integers. Suppose we have minus 4 minus 3 into minus 2. We want to multiply these three negative integers. What is the topic? Multiplication of three or more negative integers. If we have only one negative integer, then we will multiply the integers as we multiply the whole number and put a minus sign before the result. If we have two negative integers, multiply them as a multiplication of whole number and put positive sign. It means by default the number have positive signs, so we will not put any sign. Third point is that if we have three or more, हियर यहाँ पर हमारे पास कितने नेगेटिव इंटीजर्स है? हियर वी हैव 1, 2 and 3 and all are negative integers. All are negative integers. So how we will perform a multiplication operation between these three negative integers? Okay, so we know how to multiply two negative integers. So we can write -4 into -3 in bracket into -2. -4 into -3 into -2. Here we have two negative integers. As we already studied in this previous topic, how can we perform a multiplication when we have two negative integers? Just multiply the integers as a whole number. When just multiply the integers as we multiply the whole number and put a positive sign. This minus and this minus will become plus, and 4 3s are 12. So what will be the answer? 12. What is the answer of this bracket? 12. And the next number, next integer, we will write as it is. So 12 into -2. Now this is our first topic. As we already studied, one positive and one negative. And what we have studied? Multiply the integers as we multiply the whole number and put a negative sign. So 12 2s are 24, right? 24, and this minus sign we will put here. So this is the answer. So what is the answer? What is the answer of -4 into -3 into -2? -12, 24. -4 into -3 into -2 is equal to -24. Suppose we have another example. -1 into -2 into -3 into -4. So we can make a bracket of these two numbers and another bracket of these two numbers. So these numbers can be written as -1 into -2 bracket, multiplication, -3 into -4. When we have two negative integers, then we can multiply directly and put a plus sign before the result. So minus minus it will become plus, and 1 2s are 2, 2 1s are 2. So here we can write 2 1s are 2, and this 3 into 4 again minus minus it will become plus, and 3 4s are 12. So this is 12, 24. Okay. What we can observe from these two results, here we can write -1 into -2 into -3 into -4. What we can observe here, if we have 1 2 and 3 minus, then the result is negative. When we have 1 2 3 and 4 minus, it means whenever we have 4 negative integers, the result will be plus. So we can conclude here, what we can conclude here, if we have what we can conclude here, if the number of negative integers a product or in a multiplication. Is even. This is first case. Okay. If the number of negative integer in a product is even, as we have seen in earlier question, -1 into -2 into -3 into -4. How many negative integers we have? 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4. And 4 is even. Sorry. 4 is even. So what will be the result? Result will be a positive integer. Sorry. Then the product is a positive integer. Product is a positive integer. Sorry. Okay, if the number of negative integers in a product is even, it means we have multiplication of two negative integers, four negative integers, 6 negative integers, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18 and so on. If we have a multiplication of even number of negative integers, either 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 or 12. So what will be the result? Then the product is a positive integer. It means the sign of that result will be positive. Only we have to multiply the numbers. Here in this question, 1, 2, 3 and 4. We have 4 negative integers. It means 4 is an even number. So answer should be positive. So directly we can write 4 3s are 12, 12 2s are 24 and 24 1s are 24. So direct we can write 24 and that 24 should be positive integer. The sign of this 24 should be positive. So this is the conclusion. If the number of negative integer in a product is even, the answer should be positive. Now second, okay. Second conclusion is that if the number of negative integer in a product is odd, if it means we have odd number of negative integer, then what will be the result? Then the product is a negative integer. This question also we have solved -1 into -2 into -3. Sorry, we solved this integer -2 into -3 into -4. How many negative integers we have? 1, 2 and 3. And 3 is odd number. Odd. So if the number of negative integers, how many number of integers we have? Odd number of negative integers. So then the product is a negative integer. So answer should be minus. Same, 4 3s are 12, 12 2s are 24. So minus 24. We have already solved this example, this numerical in the previous topic, just 5 minutes before in this video. So -2 into -3 into -4, that should be -24. Take another example, -1 into -2 into -3. Suppose we have this. So minus minus plus and plus minus minus. So answer should be negative. And the same thing we are saying here, 1, 2 and 3. 3 negative integers. So whenever we multiply 3 negative integers, the sign of the result should be minus, negative sign. So 3 2s are 6 and 6 1s are 6. So answer should be -6. Okay, we can take another example. -1 into -1 into -1 into -1 into -1 into -1 and into -1. Now what will be the answer? We have 1 but with negative sign. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. We have 7 negative integers. 7 is a odd number. So answer should be negative. Answer should be negative. 1 into 1, 1, 1 into 1, 1. When the result of this multiplication is multiplied with this 1, again we will get 1. 1 into 1, 1 into 1, 1 into 1. So always we will get 1. 1 into 1 is 1. The main thing is that sign of the result should be negative. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. We have 7 negative integers. So answer should be minus 1. If we remove this negative sign, then what will be the result? Now check 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 negative integers. If we have 6 negative integers and 6 is an even number, so these minus and minus will become plus, minus minus plus and minus minus plus. As we have already studied in previous to this concept, whenever we have even number of negative integers, the product is a positive integer, and the same thing we have here minus minus plus, minus minus plus, minus minus plus. So answer should be plus. Or we can check 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 6 negative integers. 6 is an even number, so answer should be plus. So this will be plus 1. This is the concept. Okay. Sometimes we may have such type of numbers. 2 into minus 3 into 1 into minus 4. Now the thing is that you have to count negative integers. No, this is not a negative integer. Yes. So one negative integer we have here. This is not a negative integer. Here we have also negative integer. So how many negative integers we have? 2. 2 is an even number. It means the answer should be plus. Answer should be positive. Okay. Now we will check. Two into minus 3. So we can take these integers in one bracket into 1 into minus 4. So 2 3s are 6, and this is a negative integer, so answer should be minus 6. 1 into minus 4, minus 4. Minus minus, we have multiplication of 2 negative integers, that is positive. 6 4 is 24. Positive. So directly we can say the sign of the result should be positive or negative, or here we can solve. As we solved this example, we got plus 24 positive integer, and directly we can say the sign of the result will be positive or negative. Plus, here we have minus, plus here we have minus. It means we have these two negative integers. Even number of negative integers. Even number of negative integers, then the sign of the product should be positive. The sign of product should be positive. And here we can check our answer. 24 is a positive integer. So this is our today's topic. I will share notes in PDF form. So these concept you should write in your pair copy. आज की क्लास इतनी काफी है. Okay, goodbye.